Good work tip for cladding, internal, external corners. First, you've got the internal corners. What I like to do is, whatever the thickness is my biggest piece of timber, I'll put the other way and rip it down so it's the same. And then I will put a couple of pieces of batten, or whatever the batten coming off the wall is going to be. So I'll put two together like so, and that's how I do it. And when I put that in the corner, I can fix through the batten. That way, I don't put any fixings in the internal corner. Also, I'm not sure for wherever the lead is, and then I'll black that out to waterproof it. And now when it comes to external corners, you've either got the same option here as use that as a corner, and same thing, biggest thickness, I make sure the other side is ripped down so it works out the same thickness, so it's parallel on the corner. Or you can literally just get a piece of timber flat, put that onto the wall, and that way you can butt into it both sides. Also, a good working tip is to keep that square. After I've screwed through the back and got that parallel and level and all my margins is right, I'll put a batten across from the opposite side that I'm cladding to hold it in place. Then once I start going up, I can release them battens and do the other side. Good work tips.